What's up, everybody? We're here on location at this residence house in West Miramar. We have a Hayward SwimClear C200S that for 6 months we've been dealing with a cracked filter ring. That this is what secures this lid down to the body tank, and we've been having little small leaks because of it. We've had to adjust and running this variable speed pump at a very low speed at 24 hours a day, just so we can get the circulation for the swimming pool and to not overdo the amount of pressure circulation through it to pop it completely. So we've been waiting 6 months for this. So since the shortage that Hayward's been going through with their resin, finally our brand new filter lid has come in place, and this is the reason why. I'm going to show you what we had to install, but we got it here 6 months later. Let's get this new one installed. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your vent valve, releasing all the air pressure. Compress the ring and start to open it up. Now, Hayward's been dealing with, this has been on back order for so many months. The Hayward's been dealing with a resin issue, and they actually had to use black resin. So this is our new filter. It's gonna be with the black top. Since they had a shortage of the brown resin, they started making them in the black. Sure. Yes, I gotta make sure this has the gasket. Okay, it comes fully loaded with a new gasket. All right, this is a full kit. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna lube up this gasket real quick. And we'll be right back. All right, so there goes the new filter lid installed. Not too complicated, but I figure out great video to show you guys what we've been dealing with here in the industry. I've had this filter lid ordered since June 28th, 2021, and today is December 10th, 2021. I've waited over 6 months for this filter lid, all because of the fact that this house was re-roofed that we're at, and one of the tiles came down and cracked the locking ring, and you can see how severe it cracked it all the way down, where we were under a lot of pressure. This was opening up, it could have completely split, allowing this one to pop. So again, we had to lower the production of this, the speed and the circulation power, just so that we can get the right amount. We were running about 40% worth of power. But I'm so happy that we got this new lid here. This is how it looks. You're waiting for a new lid. Specifically, it's a C200S. It's probably going to come with this because Hayward's been having a huge shortage on the resin, the brown resin. So you will have something black that's coming. Well, I'm going to go ahead and with this, go ahead and reprogram everything with the right speeds, get this pool back up and running, so it doesn't have to run 24 hours a day, and give it its time that it needs, the 2 to 3 schedules. Thank you so much for watching this video. Elite Swimming Pools here in West Miramar. Post your comments down below on what you think about this. 6 months of waiting to get a black lid. To me, it doesn't really matter the color. It matters that we can now circulate this pool and the customer can rest assured at night that their pool's not gonna pop on them. Thank you again. To the next one.